Supplemental to my Weight Master would be my boxing gloves. The gloves I have are from a brand called Fist Rage, and I picked it because it was cheap. I'm not looking to get professional level gloves for just doing home workouts. They had the gloves in green, which is my favorite color, and they had the gloves available in 16 ounces, which is the size of a standard sparring boxing glove and allows me to burn more calories with the additional weight that's added to my hands.